Hi everyone, look at this phone. It's incredible, right? It can play movies, send messages to space, and beat you at chess. But compared to what I'm about to tell you about, this phone is basically this rock. Today, we are talking about quantum computers. Now, usually when people say quantum, it sounds like homework. But I promise you, it's not homework, it's magic. Literally, it's the science of things being in two places at once and teleporting information. By the end of this video, you're going to understand the most complicated machine in the universe, and we're going to do it using this coin. Okay, to understand the supercomputer, we have to look at your normal computer first. Inside your laptop or phone, everything is made of tiny switches. Think of them like this coin. The coin can be heads or it can be tails. In computer language, we call this a 0 or a 1. It's strictly one or the other. It's never both, right? If I put it on the table, it's just lying there. Boring. Now look at this. While it's spinning, is it heads? No. Is it tails? No. It's actually both at the same time. This spinning coin is a qubit. A normal computer works with flat coins. A quantum computer works with spinning coins. And because it's spinning, it can hold way more information. It doesn't have to choose between yes or no. It can say maybe, both, or everything at once. Okay, you say, so the coin spins. Who cares? Here's why you should care. Imagine you are trying to find your way out of this giant maze. If you are a normal computer, you act like a mouse. You run down the first path, boink, hit a wall. You run all the way back. You try the next path, boink, hit a wall. You have to try every single path, one by one, until you find the exit. It takes a long time, but a quantum computer, it doesn't send a mouse. It pours water into the maze. What does water do? It goes down every single path at the exact same time. It doesn't need to check them one by one. The water finds the exit instantly because it was everywhere at once. That is the power of the spinning coin. It solves the puzzle instantly. Okay, stick with me, because this is the part where Einstein got confused. It's called entanglement. But let's call it magic twins. In the quantum world, I can take these two coins and connect them with an invisible thread. Then I keep one coin here in my studio and I give the other coin to you. You can go to the moon. You can go to Mars. You can go to another galaxy. If I spin my coin and slap it down on the table and it shows heads, your coin on Mars will instantly stop spinning and show heads too. At the exact same time, they talk to each other faster than a text message. Faster than light. It's like they can read each other's minds from across the universe. Quantum computers uses telepathy to calculate things super fast. So we have spinning coins that are both heads and tails, water that solves mazes instantly, and magic twin coins that talk from Mars. Why are we building these? Because there are problems normal computers just can't solve. We want to cure diseases, but figuring out how medicine works is like a giant maze. We want to build batteries that last for 100 years, but the chemistry is too hard for a normal laptop. Quantum computers are going to solve those puzzles. So keep your phone for playing games, but get ready because the spinning coins are coming to change the world. Thanks for watching. If you understood the spinning coin, hit the like button. If you're still confused, that's okay. So are the scientists. See you next time.